Assalamu alaikum students of grade 8. So right now we are going to solve the mini exercise that is given in your science textbook unit 1 topic 1.3. The question is given as describe in words the atomic composition denoted by each of the following chemical formula. As you can see in the question, three chemical formulas are given, that is O2, P4, S8. अब आपने जो है इसकी एटॉमिक कॉम्पोजिशन डिस्कस करनी है इन तीनों केमिकल फार्मूलाज की. द फर्स्ट केमिकल फार्मूला दैट इज़ O2. तो इसकी क्या डिस्क्रिप्शन है एटॉमिक कॉम्पोजिशन की, मैंने यहाँ लिख दी है. As you can see that every oxygen molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms chemically combined together. जैसे कि आपको नजर आ रहा है ये मॉलिक्यूल है बिकॉज 2 एलिमेंट्स व्हेन 2 और मोर एलिमेंट्स कंबाइन टुगेदर दे फॉर्म अ मॉलिक्यूल. तो यहाँ पर एक ऑक्सीजन एटम नहीं है, 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम है. तो क्या है यहाँ पर, ये मॉलिक्यूल है. दैट्स व्हाई हम क्या कहेंगे, ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल. एवरी ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल कंटेन्स 2 एटम्स केमिकली कंबाइंड टुगेदर. और ये किस तरीके से कंबाइंड हुए हैं, दोनों एटम्स ऑक्सीजन के केमिकली कंबाइंड हैं. इस तरीके से P4 की अगर हम बात करें, P इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ फॉस्फोरस एलिमेंट. और यहाँ पे 4 फॉस्फोरस के एटम्स मौजूद हैं, तो हम क्या कहेंगे एलिमेंट. और यहाँ पे 4 फॉस्फोरस के एटम्स मौजूद हैं, तो हम क्या कहेंगे, यहाँ पे मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्मेशन हो रही है. एज यू कैन सी, सो एवरी फॉस्फोरस मॉलिक्यूल कंटेन्स 4 phosphorus atoms which are chemically combined together. And here the third one is S8. S is the chemical symbol for the element sulfur. And here as you can see एक सल्फर का एटम मौजूद नहीं है. यहाँ पर more than 1 sulfur atoms are present. कितने हैं एटम्स प्रेजेंट सल्फर के, 8. As you can see here इट इज़ सबस्क्रिप्ट. इसको मैं दोबारा से अच्छे से आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू बिफोर. सो हियर व्हाट इज़ द डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर दिस एटॉमिक कॉम्पोजिशन. एवरी सल्फर मॉलिक्यूल contains 8 sulfur atoms which are chemically combined together. Well, as you know this already, that if the example that we have discussed before in your book is H2. Now as you know about it, that H is the chemical symbol for hydrogen atom, right? And this 2, it is representing subscript. Subscript is basically the number of atoms which are found in a molecule. So what we can do, we can consider this as a molecule. Why we are going to consider it as a molecule? Because 2 hydrogen atoms are combined together. And how they are combined? They are chemically combined together. Further examples to understand it well, let's have a look at CO2. It is a common example. It is a common molecule that you all know about it. It is carbon dioxide. 1 carbon atom chemically combines together with 2 oxygen atoms. So what they will do? They will form a molecule. And what they are atoms, right? So how we get to know that here is 1 carbon atom? If there is no number is represent, कोई भी नंबर अगर शो नहीं हो रहा है तो इसका मतलब है वहाँ पे क्या मौजूद है, वहाँ पे 1 maujood hai. So it is considerable in this molecule structure that 1 carbon atom combines together with 2 oxygen atoms and they will form a molecule, and the name of this molecule is carbon dioxide. Di means 2. So here is a carbon, 2 oxygen, so carbon dioxide is the name of this chemical structure. You have already discussed the example of water. I am explaining it again. As you can see, 2 hydrogen atoms combine together with 1 oxygen atom. So as you can see, here is no number is mentioned with oxygen. It means that only one atom of oxygen is present in this molecule or in this structure. So two atoms of hydrogen atom combines with one atom of oxygen. As you can see, 1 and 1, two hydrogen atom combine with one oxygen atom and they will form a water molecule. The another example that is not given in your book is NH3. N represents nitrogen while H represents hydrogen element. As you can see, there is no subscript mentioned with nitrogen, so it means one nitrogen atom combines with 3 hydrogen atoms, and what they will form? They will form a molecule, and the name of this structure is ammonia. It is commonly known as ammonia, NH3.